Stephen Hunt, and I'm the pneumatic specialist for iAutomation. We are a technology distributor from Maine to Florida and have partnered with Festo for the past 7 years now in the Northeast and have enjoyed great success with Festo's electric automation line. We have a customer in the electronic assembly industry with an application for a T-gantry, and we worked closely with Festo to come up with a solution. Now I'd like to introduce you to Bill Fontaine. He is Festo's Electric Automation Business Development Specialist in the Northeast region and will discuss this solution with you.
Thanks, Steve. So often we have customers that ask us for fully assembled systems that'll meet their application needs. So in this instance, iAutomation had a customer in the electronic assembly industry looking for an assembled gantry that they could easily control and install with minimal effort and minimal time. The application required a gantry that could lift about 5 kilograms of payload, move 600 millimeters in the Y, and about 100 millimeters in the Z direction. They also wanted a cycle time of about 10 seconds out and back. So we immediately started configuring a YZ gantry on our website with them using a tool called Handling Guide Online that's on our website. Let's take a look at how that is used and how that works. So you can see you get an option to choose several different gantry styles. In this case, we chose a T gantry, and you can put in your strokes and what you want for Z if it's electric or pneumatic. We're putting in our travel time, our cycle time here as well. We can narrow things down based on what we have for voltage available. We can also put external forces on it if we need to. Right now, we're getting a few different options for mechanical. So we can choose out of 3 here. And then we get into how we're going to mount our motors, if we want to use our motors or someone else's motors, and what field bus we'll be using to control the servo drives. You can choose other options as well, as for instance, if you want to put sensors on it, or if you want to have a multi-pin distribution hanging off the Z, you can choose cable lengths. And if you want the assembly fully assembled or partially assembled, we will give you one part number for that full assembly. And you can then download CAD files, 2D or 3D CAD files. You can get bill of materials, and you can get a representative of the drawing that you'll just kind of see and pop up and look at that you can see here. You can review your system as well. HGO is very easy to use, gives very good results, and sometimes the issue with HGO is it can be a little bit rigid. So we have customers that use HGO to put together a gantry and maybe want to change a few things. In that case, we can go to our customer solutions group and make some changes in it. So our customer most notably wanted to change the belt-driven actuator to a ball screw actuator. They also wanted to make sure that they can put this in a class 100 clean room. So I asked our engineering team in customer solutions to put together something for this customer using that new criteria. They came back with a new solution, and you can see it here. So you got a ball screw on the this assembly now. We include the energy. We have the multi-pin connector mounted on the Z. Also, our customer in this application is using a back-off PLC, so they need to communicate to our drives using EtherCAT. I provided the customer with links to the manual for our drives, the commissioning software, the function blocks for that PLC, and the TwinCAT environment, so they can easily communicate with our drives. And I gave them a video link on how to communicate with TwinCAT back-off software to our components. We offered them a solution that met the application needs while allowing them to save time on engineering, assembly, commissioning, and programming.
Thanks, Bill. That was a great solution for our customer. We've found success with several other customers and applications as well. We can certainly help save time and effort on your future projects. Please reach out to your iAutomation contact for more information. Thank you.